Cinematic aerial shot of the courthouse at sunrise. Ultra-realistic 4K. Police officers begin another official day of courtroom security. Court clerk arranges legal files neatly on the judge's desk. Judge reviews the complete case history in chambers. Prosecutor prepares the final legal presentation. Defense lawyer studies official documents carefully. The accused waits quietly under police supervision. Witnesses gather outside the courtroom entrance. Reporters prepare live broadcasts from the courthouse. Security officers inspect the courtroom before opening. Judge enters the courtroom as everyone stands. Court clerk announces the continuation of the hearing. Prosecutor presents additional official evidence. Defense lawyer respectfully reviews every document. Judge carefully examines the submitted materials. Police investigator explains the investigation timeline. Forensic expert presents scientific findings. Digital evidence is displayed on the courtroom screen. Lawyers analyze the evidence carefully. Witness answers questions under oath. Judge records detailed observations. Court clerk updates the official transcript. Police officers maintain courtroom security. Audience listens quietly with full attention. Family members remain calm and respectful. Prosecutor asks additional legal questions. Defense lawyer responds with supporting arguments. Judge requests further clarification. Investigators explain evidence verification methods. Detectives describe the investigation process. Courtroom remains calm and professional. Judge reviews legal references carefully. Prosecutor summarizes the witness testimony. Defense lawyer delivers a detailed response. Court pauses briefly for recess. Lawyers discuss legal strategy privately. Judge returns to continue the hearing. Witness provides additional clarification. Police investigator answers procedural questions. Court clerk files newly submitted evidence. Judge studies every exhibit carefully. Prosecutor concludes the EVI. Cinematic sunrise over the city courthouse. Ultra-realistic 4K dramatic atmosphere. Police officers arrive for another official court session. Court security checks every visitor carefully. Court clerk arranges legal files on the judge's bench. Judge reviews the complete case history before entering. Prosecutor organizes evidence in preparation for the hearing. Defense lawyer calmly prepares legal notes. The accused waits quietly under police supervision. Witnesses gather outside the courtroom. News reporters prepare live coverage from the courthouse entrance. Judge enters and officially opens the session. Everyone stands respectfully inside the courtroom. Prosecutor presents official investigation records. Defense lawyer carefully examines every document. Judge studies each page with full attention. Police investigator explains the timeline in detail. Forensic expert presents scientific findings. Digital evidence appears on the courtroom display. Lawyers analyze the evidence carefully. Witness gives clear testimony under oath. Judge writes important observations. Court clerk records every statement. Police officers maintain order inside the courtroom. Family members quietly observe the proceedings. Audience remains silent throughout the hearing. Prosecutor submits additional legal documents. Defense lawyer responds with supporting arguments. Judge asks several clarifying questions. Investigators explain evidence verification methods. Detectives describe the investigation process step by step. Courtroom atmosphere remains serious and professional. Judge reviews official legal references. Prosecutor summarizes the testimony. Defense lawyer presents final supporting evidence. Court pauses briefly for recess. Lawyers discuss legal strategy privately. Judge returns and resumes the hearing. Witness answers additional questions. Police investigator explains procedural details. Court clerk files newly submitted evidence. Judge carefully examines every exhibit. Prosecutor